it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a little bit of nail mail for you. I recently just got my polish pickup order from July in the mail, so I thought I would share with you everything that I got. Before we get started, I'll share with you what polish pickup actually is. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it or where you can actually get this stuff, but basically it's a website that every month they have like a theme, and a bunch of indie brands come together and they create a nail polish or like vinyls or candles, like all different stuff that they are making themselves, like homemade stuff, and they post it on their site. And this is usually something that is just for this particular month that they've created for this theme for polish pickup. So I'll just show you what the website's like. I really like it. It's kind of addictive. They usually have, so it's only open for like one weekend, so it's usually the first Friday of every month. So coming up is September. I believe that it is on the 4th of September, so it'll be open September 4th, 5th, 6th, and I think the Monday too, the 7th. So they'll be open for 4 days, and there's usually like quantities of what the stuff, like what is available, so you got to get it quick, but you can make a wish list. So I'm going to show with you what's kind of on the site right now. There's not a lot because they haven't posted what's coming up in September yet, but I will show you what it looks like and you can kind of check it out, because I really like polish pickup and I always try to support indie brands because, you know, they make a lot of good stuff. So So I'm just kind of showing you here on my iPad. So they recently just changed over their website, so you can find them at polishpickup.com, and they also have an Instagram and also a Facebook page as well. On the Facebook page they actually share with you kind of stuff that is going to be coming up, but this is their current website, and they actually just got, I think, a new headquarters, which is pretty cool because they were getting so large. But yeah, so this is the front of the site, and then you can see there's a calendar that you can actually vote on the themes of what's going to be for the next month. So you can see that you vote on the Friday, and then from there, and you can kind of pick what's going to be the next theme. So, and then you can create a wish list. So you'll see on the side here there's a little heart and it says my wish list. I don't actually have anything in here, obviously, because there's nothing really on the site, but you can make this wish list, and then when you do make the wish list, it can go right into your cart when the stuff is alive, and yeah, then you can get your stuff. So it's a pretty cool idea. I really like it. So what's basically on the site right now is just a few items that are available still, or will always be available, but it's pretty neat. I really enjoy it. So I'm going to show you, I'll link everything down below in the description box so you can definitely check it out, and I'm going to share with you what is in my box. So also, I am not being promoted for this. I just thought I would share with you what it actually is. I know I didn't really know what the polish pickup was for a while either, but now that I've got into it, just to be warned, it is kind of addictive, but it is a really nice site, and yeah, I'm excited about it. So let's get into my bag and I'll show you what I got this time. So I don't usually go too crazy. I usually get a few things just because it is in American dollars and I am Canadian, so it's a little bit of a steep price tag on there for me sometimes with the exchange, but I am going to share with you what is in here today. So let's start with this one here. This one is from the Crafty Taco, and it is a cute little sticker. I couldn't resist. I saw this before and I didn't get it, and I wished I did. Sometimes things come back, depending, they do like a rewind and stuff like that. So this is from the Crafty Taco. It's called the Mermaid sticker, and she actually has an Etsy site that you can check her out also, so you can see what else she has. But this is like yeah, it's just a sticker, but I think she makes like different vinyl stuff as well. But I just thought it was super cute, and if you follow me, I like mermaids and I like cats, so best of both worlds there. So I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it, but I think it's super cute. So that one is what the first thing I got. Alright, and then I pretty much always get these polishes. This is from Polish for Days. I absolutely love this brand. I am building a collection of this so far. So this is Polish for Days, and this one is called Long Live the King. So this was from the Polish Pickup Rewind, and this one is gorgeous. Like it's stunning. I had to get it. I pretty much get sucked in every time with the Polish for Days polishes. Usually I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna buy anything, and then I see these and I can't not buy it. So that is the first polish I got. And let's see what we got here. I think this is the acetone additive. So I have tried acetone additives from Paint It Pretty Polish, and I don't know if I've tried it from anyone else, but I thought I would try this one here. This is the acetone additive, and it is Purple Fig and Honey, and it's from Baroness X, and it actually smells pretty good. I haven't obviously tried it yet, but I'm gonna see what it's like. So you can kind of see it's like a purple, and you just shake it up. If you don't know what an acetone additive is, basically you add it to any of your acetones, and it actually makes it less harsh on your skin and your nails, and it gives it a little bit of a protective, so it's not as harsh, and you don't get like that white cast when you're removing your nail polish. So I got this one, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. I like the little bottle. It's actually a glass bottle too. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, I know what this is. So this is the TC Magic Effects for Magnetic Nail Polish by DRK Nails. You can find their website right here. They have a really neat card. So basically what this is it's supposed to help your magnetic nail polishes come out a little bit better. It is just a clear polish, but basically you add you paint your nail polish to your magnetic nail polish, and then you allow it to dry. So you do 2 coats, it says, and then you put this over it, and then this is supposed to produce a better magnetic effect. So you would instead of doing the magnetic instead of doing like the magnetic polish with the magnet, you just let it dry, and then you actually use this to get the magnet effect. So you paint this and then put the magnet over on top. So I'm interested to see if this works better, because I do have a few, I have quite a few magnetic polishes, and I always find like I can't get it to be as good as I want it to be, and yeah, I'm hoping that this makes it even better. So I am going to try that out. Alright, last what we got in this beautiful cellophane here. I'm pretty sure this is the Cuticula stuff. If you've never bought Cuticula top coats, I definitely recommend them. They smell usually amazing. This one is the Cuticula Limitless Top Coat and Base Coat. So this is the top coat, and this one is Blackberry Lemon Curd, which sounds amazing. They are pretty good polishes. They dry really fast. There's a bunch of different types. So this one is the Limitless Quick Drying Top Coat, and there's a few different other ones that they have of like the top coats and base coats as well. So that's that one, and usually you get them in a set, so you'll get the base and the top coat with the same scent. If I can figure out how to open this, that'd be great. Where is the end? Alright, sorry, I had to go off camera. So this is the Mic Drop base coat. I don't think I've tried this kind before, but it is like a white kind of base there, but I'm pretty sure it will be like pretty much clear when it's actually on your nails. But yeah, I'm gonna see if these actually smell really good. Yeah, they do smell pretty good. So I'm excited to use these. I really like these two. I like this brand, Cuticula, and it has a good base coats and top coats. So that is everything that I got in my polish pickup. Stay tuned for August. I haven't actually received it yet. It does take a little bit to get to me, and especially with COVID, everything is just taking even longer, which I understand, but I don't really like waiting. But anyways, so if you're not following me on here, please subscribe and also ring the bell so you can see when I am posting videos, and also check out my Instagram at Allie's blog. I post different things on there than I do on here, so stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.